Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are a user of Instagram, a very popular sharing site, well, there's multiple glitches happening right now, and the company is kind of looking into it. So what's happening is that some users are reporting they are unable to log in. Some are unable to post anything. There's also some that actually lost access and received suspension notices. So basically, Instagram has tweeted that it is looking into the matter. Wherever you are in the world, it seems that pretty much everybody is affected. But it's interesting that there is. So I'm looking here. I'm just logged into my Instagram that I pretty much don't use. But I noticed that it seems okay here. So I don't know if it actually was fixed or not. But one thing definitely is that it is something that they are looking into it. There's there's almost 10,000 users that reported Down Detector that their Instagram is not working and it's having problems. So if you're having issues, hang in there. Instagram is looking into the glitch and is trying to fix things as we go on. So it's not you, it's them. And that's why I made a video, because I know Instagram's pretty popular. And also the fact that a lot of people have the impression when something goes wrong, might be them. But in reality, it's not them. It's really Instagram that's having an issue. So just hang in there. Eventually, things are going to get sorted out. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.